For a long time, there's been a massive wall standing between you and the content you actually want to create. That wall is 3D modeling. If you're a creator, an AI musician, or a business professional, you've probably felt what I call the Blender fear. You see those high-end 3D avatars and cinematic product shots. You download Blender, you open it. You're hit with 1,000 buttons that look like the cockpit of a space shuttle, and you close it immediately. We've been stuck in a 2D world because the learning curve for 3D has just been too steep. You either spend 6 months learning the software, or you spend thousands of dollars hiring a studio. But the visual landscape is shifting. Whether it's a Spotify canvas for your new track, a 3D mascot for your music brand, or a high-end product mock-up, 3D is quickly becoming the new standard for capturing attention. So today, I'm going to show you how to bridge that gap. I'm taking you inside Hitem3D. This isn't just a tool for 3D experts, it's an independence tool for solo creators. It recently jumped to version 2.1, coming with a new fast mode. This produces the clean mesh and usable geometry we need, but it can now generate high-detail 1536 resolution models in just 2 to 3 minutes. We have more control over the output, and even better, they've cut the cost of these models by 50%. And in this video, I'm going to build an entire virtual music brand identity right here, live, in just a few minutes. No complex software, no manual sculpting. Just a pure creative workflow. Let's start with the face of the brand. First, I want a realistic music producer avatar for myself. Something cinematic and high fidelity. I'm heading into the Hitem3D interface, and the first thing you'll see are the generation tabs. General, Portrait, Texture, 3D Relief, and Segmentation. Since we want a high-fidelity face to start, I'm clicking into the Portrait tab. The UI here is really intuitive. You can see the upload tips right in the center. Stay away from blurry images or multi-person backgrounds. Hitem3D works best with a clean, single subject. I'm dragging in a high-resolution studio portrait of a realistic cyberpunk artist I generated earlier. Now look at the settings below. I'm selecting the new version 2.1. This is the flagship update the community has been waiting for because it features a dedicated fast mode. And when you're a creator, you don't want to wait hours for a render. I'm setting the resolution to 1536 Pro, making sure the generate type is set to geometry plus texture. You can toggle on advanced settings to further customize geometry and textures. But for this, I'm keeping everything default. And now I'll hit generate. Here we go! It's generating the geometry first, and then working on the texture, and here we are. It took just a couple of minutes, and just like that, the AI has reconstructed a full 360-degree high-poly head from a single flat image. If I orbit the model using left-click, you can see the incredible depth in the facial features, and how it handles the high-tech Chrome headphones. What's really impressive is how it keeps the face highly accurate, while realistically building depth for areas that didn't even exist in the original image. On the left, you can see the technical details of the geometry and texture, and below, you've got options to regenerate, segment, edit, or export. Let's jump into edit mode. Wow! Here's the base model in the center, and we can switch between sculpt, paint, or masking modes. I'll go into paint mode, and just like that, we can paint over the model in any color. Okay, I made it pretty ugly, so I'm undoing that and heading back to the main interface. Also, you can download this model in multiple formats like OBJ or FBX, which means you can bring it straight into tools like Blender for more advanced work. This level of detail used to take a professional artist an entire day. Now it takes minutes. But branding isn't always about realism. Sometimes you need a stylized mascot, something more expressive. I've got a 2D cartoon character ready for my music brand. Now, while the Portrait V2.1 model is great for realistic inputs, for 2D cartoon styles, you'll actually get better results using version 2.0 or V1.5. So I'm switching over to the General tab. I'm dropping in my stylized character, bold lines, big expressive eyes, vibrant colors. Really excited to see how this turns out. I'm selecting the V2.0 model, keeping the same 1536 Pro resolution, and again choosing geometry plus texture, and generate. Look at that result. The AI didn't just wrap a texture onto a blob. It actually understood the 2D structure and translated it into clean 3D form. No weird artifacts, no broken geometry. And if the result isn't perfect, there's a free retry button that lets you regenerate without spending extra credits. Now in this version, most of the body looks great, but the face still feels slightly flat. So I'm going to hit retry and see if we can improve that depth. And here we go. Yeah, this is much better. The face now has proper depth, and the overall result feels far more natural. Just a quick technical note on choosing your models. While the portrait model is perfect for real-life photos, Hitem3D actually recommends using the general model for stylized or complex cases like this cyberpunk character. You can actually generate these models using 3 different versions depending on your goal. Use v2.1 Fast if you want to test multiple ideas quickly while saving credits. If you need commercial-grade detail for a final project, switch to v2.1 Quality Model. And for those of you who want the absolute most stable and clean geometry for 3D printing or animation, v1.5 is still a reliable powerhouse. Having this level of control means you can choose the right focus for every specific scenario. And here's a pro tip for high-end full-body characters. Generate the head and body separately. Use general mode for the body base, but run the head through that optimized portrait mode for maximum facial detail. Then, just merge them together in a tool like Blender. It's a simple extra step that gives you studio-quality geometry without any manual sculpting. Now we've created a realistic avatar and a stylized mascot. But every music brand also needs signature gear. And traditionally, something like an electric guitar is very difficult to model because of the strings, proportions, and fine details. I'm staying in the General tab and uploading an image of a matte black guitar with neon blue circuitry. There's a lot of detail here, so I'll keep the same settings and hit generate. Wow, that is honestly stunning. The AI perfectly recreated the glowing circuit lines and even extended them naturally across the back. But the really impressive part is how it understands the object. It didn't just mirror the front to the back. It correctly placed the strings only on the front, with proper depth and spacing along the frets. This is what we call a watertight model, a solid production-ready asset. I can export this as OBJ or FBX and use it immediately. Now here's where things get even more interesting. There's a feature called Stylized AI Texture. This lets you completely transform the texture of your 3D model using a reference image. So let's test it. I'm heading to the Texture tab and selecting the guitar model. Now I'm uploading a reference image of a reflective gold chrome finish, keeping everything default and generating. And here we are. The AI has completely reskinned the model. But what's impressive is it didn't just flood everything with gold. It preserved the circuit lines, the structure, and the identity of the object. It changes the surface, but keeps the details intact. For music creators, this is massive. You can now match your 3D assets to your album artwork for every release, without doing any extra modeling. And these assets don't have to stay digital. If you're building a physical brand, Hitem3D lets you export models in STL format, the standard for 3D printing. You could turn your mascot into a collectible figure, or create branded merch like keychains or art toys. From a single 2D idea to a physical product in one afternoon. And for advanced users building full scenes, there's even a plugins section. There's a dedicated Blender plugin that lets you generate assets in the cloud and have them appear directly inside your Blender project. It's a seamless, professional workflow. But the biggest advantage for most creators is the trial-to-download feature. Most AI tools give you a preview, and then lock the actual file behind a paywall. Hitem3D lets you generate and download usable models during the trial, so you can actually test them inside your real projects before committing. I've put the link for Hitem3D in the description and pinned it in the comments. And I've got something extra for you. The first 200 people who sign up using that link will get an additional 500 credits for free. That's enough to build an entire library of 3D assets for your brand. New users are also getting 50% off monthly plans, while you can get 50% off annual plans if you're ready to go all in this year. But remember, this is only available for a limited time, so you better hurry up. Stop dreaming in 2D. Start building in 3D. Grab your credits, start your trial, and see why so many creators are making the switch. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechZnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. I'll see you in the next one.